Alright, let's say we apply product rule again to another question. So again, when we apply product rule, realize that it's one term here multiplied by another term. So our first term, we call it u, and second term, we call it v. So we can apply our product rule as you can see above. So our dy dx is u, so we copy down the first one. Differentiate the second one. So the second one, when we differentiate it, what rule must we apply? We've learned this the previous time. Yes, it's chain rule. So we apply chain rule, I multiply by 4, 1 plus 3x to the power of 3. Differentiate inside, multiply by 3. So our plus v, which is the second one, copy down the second one. Multiply by, differentiate the first one. Differentiate 1 minus x squared, differentiate 1 is 0. Then the second term is minus 2x. So simplify it. Then we look out for the highest common factor. Alright, 12 and 2 for the numbers. And likewise for 1 plus 3x to the power 3 and 1 plus 3x to the power 4. So I can take out 2. I can take out 1 plus 3x to the power 3. And then inside over here I have 1 minus 3, 1 plus 3x. Sorry. 1 minus x squared. And also 6, so 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. Likewise, for the next one, it will be minus, we got the x, and then just now we took out the 1 plus 3x cubed, multiply by another 1 plus 3x over here. Alright, and then simplify inside the square brackets. And we get this 6 minus x minus 9x squared. So sometimes in questions, they will ask us to change to a certain format. Okay, so let's look at example 13. Let's say I want to differentiate this. Again, apply product rule. This is my u, this is my v. By now, you must have memorized the product rule. So when differentiate u times v is u dv dx plus v du dx. Make sure you memorize it. So dy dx equals to the first one, copy down. Differentiate second, we have to apply chain rule again. Differentiate inside the bracket plus v du dx. So v is 3 minus x power 5, copy it down, times du dx. We apply chain rule. Differentiate inside the bracket, simplify it first. So right now, we will have to look for the common factor, which we have this one, which we want to extract common factor, and likewise the 3 minus x power 4, 3 minus x power 5. So the first one, the lower power one, 2x plus 1 square. Then for the lower power, which is 3 minus x to the power 4. So inside the bracket, we have minus 5 and multiply by 2x plus 1. Alright, so you can see 2x plus 1 square times 2x plus 1 will give 2x plus 1 cube. We have learned our indices. Right, and so I go on to plus 6 times. So I have 3 minus x to the power 4 times 3 minus x. You give me the 3 minus x power 5. So simplify inside the square brackets. Minus 5. Simplify one more time. Inside here is minus 16x plus 13. Copy down. Right, so that's how we apply product rule. Make sure that you are good with memorizing formula, and also you know how to simplify by extracting the common factor. Right, why? Because in the exam they may ask you to change it to a certain form. So for example, you could say that the answer could be in this form. So the answer for this question could be in this form, like ax plus b, 2x plus 1 square, 3 minus x power 4. So if they want it in this form, then we have to rewrite it as minus 16x plus 13, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's all for here.